Hello everyone, this is a video that I told you about that would help you learn how to deal with the fact that you cannot download a document or your assignment. So this will help you copy the content of the assignment, create a new document on Word, and then paste it. That will allow you to write write your homework assignment and then attach it to the assignment section. Okay, I know some of you have found it for some reason difficult to download the documents, so hopefully this whole video will help you learn how to deal with that. This is my account as a student on Edmodo, and I chose the fact of being a student so like we can look at the platform like similarly. Um, the assignments for Anne, unfortunately, when I designed them to be locked, so they are locked. You cannot submit any assignment after the due date, and I believe the due date was, I think, Thursday and Friday. So I already created a video, but I realized that actually I could not upload the assignment there because it was already locked. So I'm going to pick one of my assignments, okay, just to show you the process itself. Let's go to, for example, possessive pronouns. These assignments were not locked, so you can access them. I need to open the assignment, and usually it opens this way. So you have a document here. If I click on the document, it opens a new tab. In normal cases, this will allow you to download. This is normally, but I know some of you don't have that feature. So what should I do? Since I cannot download, I have two methods to copy the content. Either usually you can use your keyboard and you go Control A. If you see that again, Control A, it copies everything. Or you can select it. So I click on my left mouse click, on the left one, and then I hold and drag, and you'll see that everything has been selected. What should I do now? I can click on the mouse and say copy. So now I copied the whole assignment. I hope. Now we need to create a new document, where I can paste this thing. I can choose any Word document. I go to File and create a new document. So now what should I do? I have a new Word document. I need to paste the assignment so I can write on that. Again, right-click, paste. The format of the assignment will be different. We don't care really as much about the format. So possessive pronouns, this is your name. Okay, read and fill the pronoun adjective. Now, so this is the homework, okay? Of course, normally you will not find these lines because usually we give that in class. So what's your name? I say my name is Mohammed Sinjar. This is not Mohammed, this is my cousin. Okay, Mohammed. Now you write the date and so on. And then you start writing the answers. Once you're done, we have to save it, and then so we'll be able to attach it. So what should I do? When I save it from here. Before I save it, I need to create a folder, as I mentioned before, that will help you be more organized. So this homework is for Muhammad. This assignment is for Muhammad. So what should I do? I can go to my desktop. Everything I have is on desktop. Right-click. I need to create a folder. What do I name that folder? Homework for Muhammad. You can create another one, homework for Anne, for example. So now let's see. This is the assignment. I go to File, Save As, and then I choose my folder. See, homework it's on the desktop. And what do I say? It's possessive pronouns. And if you want to add your name, for example, M, and then save. Now, everything you do here, you have to save it every now and then. So this document has already been saved. and now I write my answers. Everything is good. Once I finish, I save, and now I need to do what? I need to attach it. So where do we go? We go back to Edmodo. This is Edmodo. Now I'm ready to attach my assignment. So what do? I need to attach, right? Attach from computer. Where did I save the assignment? I saved it on the desktop in a folder that said, or that is called homework from Mohammed. Okay? Good job, I don't see it. It should upload very soon. Possessive, yeah. See, and what do? I open. Once you open it, now the thing is here. See, possessive pronouns Mohammed. Once you click on turn in assignment, now turn in, I will receive a notification that I received your assignment. That's it, really. It should be doable. I hope this video will help you. If you have any more questions, please let me know. Wish you all the best. Stay healthy and safe.